I got VIM today. Today we're going to be exploring all VIM. So now we're going to get into VIM. It's just through that door. But first, we're going to be looking at all the cool, features. So you're just scanning, Toggy, hand tracking. Let me drop my controllers. I have hand tracking on. What is this hand tracking? I wish I could prove it's hand tracking. Wait. Yeah, here's a button. Where's the button? It's not showing the button. Okay. So, let me grab my controllers. Okay, grab my controllers. If you can see, body tracking not available on this device, so we're not really gonna do it. But gold name, I have a gold name. Now it's getting into the real things. First, let's go to the VIM here. So, it's right here. Usually it's been red and it says intruder, but now you can go in. If you can see, we have all of these stuff. I gotta bring you in here. Come in. You're stuck out here. There we go. So first we have the blush face, then we have this wings, and then we have this gold one, and then we have this, and then chicken. I'm gonna buy some chicken. Oh no. Oh. Yeah. I bought the chicken. I really need to afford it. I hope I can afford the chicken. It is 400. And this, oh, I can't afford it. Okay, let's go to the VIM room. It's the first time I have seen the VIM room. So, here it is. I'll even put it in my POV so you guys can see. So, this is what it looks like. Oh, very interesting. Shake? What does that mean? You can see I already got the VIM because I came here once. But now, it's time to get digging. So this is what I really look like in the mirror. Yo! Yeah. Yes. Yeah. And yeah. So this is what I'm wearing. I love it. If you're wondering what my color code, that's my color code. 809. Go, bouncy bounce. Okay, I got stuck. Bouncy beds. Bouncy. Bounce. It's not even that bouncy. So this is like everything. So this video, you should like and subscribe, by the way. And that's everything in the VIM room. Wait, I think I forgot something. I forgot the photo booth. Yeah. Yes. Where's the picture that has me floating? Oh, that one. And there. So, I feel like that's enough for today. Alright. See you next time.